Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Code Commune. I am Subham. Today I am going to start with operator, that is day 2 in 30 day of code. So let's get started. So there are the given tasks. So given the meal price, base cost of the meal, tip percentage, that percentage of the meal price being added as tip, and the tax percentage, the percentage of the meal price being added as tax. For a meal, find and print the meal total cost. Okay, and what will be the three input? That the first line will be meal cost, second line will be tip percentage, and third line will be tax percentage. So we have to find out the total cost and just print it. So how we will calculate the total cost? There are given explanation. You can see the meal cost is 12, so meal cost is 12, tip percent is 20, tax percentage is 8. Okay, so now you can see here we will calculate first tip, then tax, then the total cost equal to meal cost plus tip plus tax, and then we will print it in round off. So let's get started. So first we will calculate the tip. So tip is equal to meal cost into tip percent divided by 100. Then we have to calculate tax. Tax equal to meal cost into tax percent divided by 100. Now we have to calculate total cost. Total cost equal to meal cost plus tip plus tax. Now what we have to do? We have to just print the round of total cost. So that's it for this. Now you can just run the code. Yeah, you can see it's compiled successfully. Now let's submit it. So this was operators. You can see how it works. So this was one of the easiest one. So you can see it's passed all the test cases. So in the next tutorial we will solve another 30 day of code problem. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.